Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're diving headfirst into some big challenges facing modern manufacturing.
Mm-hmm. Big challenges indeed.
It's really not just about optimizing production anymore, is it? It's this complex mix of, economic pressure, social responsibilities, environmental stuff,
Absolutely. It's a whole new ballgame.
which really brings up a key question. Are those traditional strategies, the ones focused on just one thing, are they really enough anymore for any industry, really?
That's the core issue we need to explore.
So for this deep dive, we're going to zero in on something called the lean green approach, specifically how it's playing out in furniture manufacturing.
Right. A very tangible sector to look at.
And our mission basically is to figure out how this approach weaves together lean manufacturing principles with circular economy ideas.
A powerful combination.
Yeah, the goal being, efficiency, cost savings, and real long-term sustainability. Okay, so let's try and unpack this.
Let's do it.
When we talk about traditional lean manufacturing, what usually comes to mind first, it's waste elimination, right?
Pretty much, yeah. Targeting waste. That's the classic definition.
Things like waste materials, unnecessary steps, anything that doesn't strictly add value during production.
Exactly. Streamlining the factory floor.
Mm.
Think cutting overproduction, wait times, defects, that kind of thing.
Just making the process itself hyper-efficient.
Yes. Now, what's really interesting is how the circular economy takes that core idea, eliminating waste, and, well, blows it up much wider.
Okay, how so?
It goes way beyond just the production line. It looks at the entire product life cycle,
The whole journey.
the whole journey. It specifically tackles those end-of-life problems. What happens when someone's done with the product.
Ah, right.
So it pushes for things like reduction using less material in the first place, reuse designing for easy repurposing, recycling obviously, and even recovery, getting energy or resources back from what's left.
So it's about keeping materials circulating, not just ending up as trash.
Precisely. Keeping them in the loop, constantly.
Okay, so if lean tackles waste inside the factory and circularity looks at the whole life cycle,
Yeah.
how do they properly merge? I mean, our sources point to this idea that, well, that circularity can simply be seen as an extension of the lean point of view.
That's a great way to put it.
It's not just about waste in production, but waste across the entire product lifespan. It feels like lean kind of grew up, you know?
It really did. It's like lean expanded its horizons from just factory efficiency to broader resource stewardship.
Right.
And this integration, this lean green philosophy, it's not just about tweaking things. It aims for a really holistic result,
Mm-hmm.
achieving environmental quality, economic prosperity, and social equity
All three pillars.
for the benefit of current generations and future. It's fundamental. It's about designing business models that are regenerative by nature.
Where making money doesn't have to hurt the planet or people.
Exactly. It forces a rethink of everything,
Mm-hmm.
from sourcing materials right through to what happens after disposal, creating value everywhere.
So if we bring this back down to, say, furniture manufacturer specifically, it becomes really clear how powerful this lean green idea can be for them.
Very practical applications.
By using this combined strategy, they can cut down on both types of waste, right? The process waste, that's the classic lean target, excess movement, overproduction,
It's off on the shop floor.
and also the resource waste, the actual materials, from sourcing them to the product's end of life.
Right. It addresses both material flow and process flow.
And doing that, it boosts the useful life of the resources and the furniture itself. It seems like a win-win.
It really is. And it underlines why this combined approach is so crucial if you genuinely want to achieve circularity. It moves companies past just, isolated green initiatives.
Towards something more systemic.
Exactly. Systemic change. And it delivers not just environmental wins, less landfill, lower carbon footprint, which are huge, but also social benefits, like potentially better working conditions or just longer lasting products for consumers. And crucially, business benefits too. Reduced material costs, maybe new income from recovered materials, and a better brand image. It's about building value through being sustainable.
Okay, so summing this up for everyone listening, what's the key takeaway here?
Well, I think it's that integrating lean and circular economy ideas gives manufacturers, like those in furniture, a really robust strategy.
A strategy to handle today's complexity.
Right. You get the circular economy driving environmental stability.
And the lean approach ensuring the economic side holds up. Efficiency, stability.
It's a balanced approach for the future.
Definitely forward thinking.
Which leaves us with a final thought, maybe something for you to mull over. How can this kind of holistic, lean, green thinking move beyond just single solutions or specific sectors? How can it genuinely help foster a future for manufacturing across the board that's truly sustainable and economically viable?
Moving beyond just fixing problems to design a system.
A system where waste isn't really waste at all, but just a resource waiting for its next life?